I think it shouldn't be too difficult since.
Hey guys, Maglin here. I got the epic lens flare of doom right in here, but yeah, he'll make do with that. So we got some updates for you here. We hacked an N64 controller. I got it off to my side right here, and it's working quite well. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put it in front of my little ePC's webcam and let you see how it's working. So it might make it really upset when I start pulling on it, but we're going to try this anyways. All right. So let's let that resolve. What we have is our LED readout up through here. We have our Arduino. It's kind of like that.
Putting a laser diode up there so I can see where it's centered.
You see that LED right there?
Yeah.
That's your diode.
Laser diode.
Yeah. See, it's trigger on the bottom too, so it's pistol grip triggered.
Okay. Yeah, that's great.
So, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the N64 controller to move the camera, trolley, dolly, crane, whatever you want to call it. And to do that, we have our A button there, which is lighting that one up. We have our B button there. Neither one of those are going to do anything right now. We also
for
have
future use, like focus and shit. Yeah.
Yeah, eventually I would love to use them for zoom and whatnot, like patch into an IR, send it an IR signal, and tell it zoom and whatnot based on an IR input.
Can't do IR, but come here.
Paul and I. Let me pause, Mike. Let me pause.
So if no one comes, we're having human versus human zombie.
Human versus human zombie.
So it's just warfare.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's gonna be radical.
Right. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna wrap up what we were doing earlier. Here is the circuit board again. I'm gonna bring my camera like this. Okay, we saw the controller.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, I'm
for the internet?
Yeah,
There's a video.
Yeah, buddy.
I want to be in the video.
Oh, I can do that. See?
I can see me. Hi,
There.
that's me on the thing right there in the video.
Hi
Hi guys, welcome to the geek group.
Up and put this lawn on your shoulder. What would you do?
I wouldn't care less, dude.
He's geeking. He'd be like,
YouTube might be like, porn, stop. And I'm like, whatever, dude. Electronics are porn. Don't you know that?
you know, we're gonna make a real video.
Yeah.
Okay.
But people are bugging me to see what the hell's going on, and I'm giving them a little.
It's like your little YouTube.
You know, YouTube only gives me 10 minutes.
Okay.
I only get 10 minutes.
Go away.
Okay. All right. So guys, all right. So we're back. You can see my little readout up here at the top, and I'm just going to show you how this works real fast, so you can see that. Hi, how you doing, Doc? So the controller needs to have the C down button pushed in order for the action to work. And as you can see in the video, it might not be the best resolution. I apologize for that. As I move the joystick around in a counterclockwise fashion, we can see the intensity of how far I'm pressing, so we can see that dim and bright as I push the stick over. And depending on the position of the stick, left or right, you can see that these will change colors, indicating which way the motors are going. And of course, I don't know if this was in the first version, but we can see that we have button presses here. This is the Z button. That'll be for a laser pointer, so we know where the camera is pointing on the table. And we have the B button and the A button. These will be hooked up to a remote controller that allows for zoom or some other camera function to take place without having to doink around with yet another set of controllers. So that's where we're at so far. There will be an official Geek Group video probably tomorrow as we hook motors up to it and actually hook it up to the camera trolley that you guys saw in a previous Captain's vlog. Y'all have a good day.